It's almost never good news these days. It certainly wasn't today.
Cinemas, bowling alleys and other indoor entertainment venues will now close. There will be new restrictions in the hospitality industry, which will come into effect on Friday of next week. Now, I know just how hard the sector has worked to put measures in place to protect the public, and I know that this will be a worrying time for all those working in the industry.
That's an understatement. It's been a nightmare year for many businesses in that industry, like those here at the Three Eagles in Llangollen.
It is a massive challenge because we don't know what's going to be happening on Monday. We need to make decisions. We don't have much time to react. We've got bookings coming in. So that small window doesn't give us much time to react, unfortunately.
On the other hand, some are actively thinking about shutting up early, not closing schools, but using distance learning for health reasons.
We are concerned that schools are open up until the 18th of December or even the 21st and 22nd in some cases, and that leaves less than a week until Christmas Day. And so there's quite a high risk of people either becoming infected during that time or having to self-isolate. And what we want is to reduce the risk as much as possible of people having to self-isolate over Christmas.
Cardiff city centre's almost back to its normal busy self, and whatever happens, shops won't be expected to close. What do these hopeful shoppers think about the prospect of more restrictions?
Got to do what you've got to do, haven't you?
They need to curb it somehow. They do need to curb it. And if it means stopping people going out, well, that's what they'll have to do.
Because of the actions of people, we can't really behave ourselves when we're approaching fire break. So I almost think we're sort of bringing it on ourselves, almost, yeah.
Just get Christmas out the way, and then if they want to do it in January, they can.
Politicians are divided too. The Welsh Conservatives say there shouldn't be a single set of rules for the whole of Wales.
What we need is local measures that target the hotspots of infection and make sure that there's a route out of these restrictions. The real danger is that we're constantly going into new sets of regulations that confuse the public and don't offer a route out for people wherever they might live in Wales.
The trouble is that for another Conservative, having more local measures, the tier system in England, is also causing political problems, with Boris Johnson facing rebellions from some of his own MPs. It just goes to show there's no easy way through this for the politicians, nor for any of us. Happy Christmas? Bleak midwinter might be more accurate. Adrian, ITV News.